Hello friends, myself Muhammad Fahim Hassan, and in today's video I'm gonna teach you how you can parse XML in PHP. So when we build PHP applications, sometimes this happens that maybe from an API response, maybe from a file, we got the data in the form of XML. Now maybe that data is employees data, patients data, products data, or any type of data. Now as a PHP developer, you should learn that how you can read that data from that XML file and execute in PHP. Let's suppose you have employees data, and on a web page you want to read data from that file and display that data in a web page. How you can do that? So this is called XML parsing. In modern world, in most of the cases, developers use JSON, but there is possibility that sometimes you face that your data exists in XML. So let's start. First of all, you can see we have data.xml file, and the second file is index.php. Both files is open in my Visual Studio Code. First of all, we need to type here PHP opening tag. So then first of all, I will type here XML is equal to, we need to load this file to our PHP first. So I will use this function, SimpleXML load underscore file, because our file is in the root directory. That's why I will type here data.xml. Basically here you need to type the path of your file, and here I will type overtype error cannot load XML file. Basically, if due to some reasons this PHP will not find this file on the server, it will display an error. Now next I will type here for each, because you can see that we have some repeated data here, and then I will type here for each our this XML object, and then inside this, first of all, we have a parent attribute with the name book. So I will type here book as book. So in simple, if I just print this as it is book, I want to show you what will be printed. Let me type the pre-opening tag and the pre-closing tag. Here our that web page is running, and you can see that we have this XML object and attributes array. Now what is attributes array? If you see in data.xml, to this object we have this attribute with the name of ID. So we found this in this array. Maybe if there is another thing like name is equal to Kamla, for example, you can see that this thing is coming in the attributes. But on the other hand, if we will have something here like name Fahim, that basically come inside this object. You can see that. Okay, now I will tell you how we can access this. Just for example, from this file you want to display the title of the book and the price of the book only. Let's suppose. So what you will do, I will remove this and echo title, and then I will type this. On each loop iteration, this will contain a single object like this, book title and a br tag. Let me refresh. At this moment you can see that only books names are printed on our screen. Let's suppose you also want to print the price as well. So what you will do, price colon data price. Oops, not data but book. Now you can see that first book name, its price, second book name, its price. You can also put dollar here, and this, you can see that. So friends, this is how you can access any part of your data. Maybe if you want to access this one, you will type genre, price, publish date, or everything that is available in this XML. So I hope that this video will be helpful for you, that how we can parse XML. And if you have any question, you can ask us in the comment section. We will try to answer your question. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel for our regular videos. And finally, thanks for watching.